I have to feel connected to the story. And the reason is that I want you to feel connected to the story. You know, if I can get inside of Source's head, you know, just like we used to get inside one another's head when we were babies in those cribs, then maybe you can feel that tale. You can feel the widow's pain as she lost her husband in the most horrific way. Or you can feel the joy, you know, that Dean and Mark felt at being these excellent salesmen only to feel betrayal later on. And I want to take you places that you've never been by using fiction and nonfiction and sort of melding it all together. I want to show you mysteries that make you want to cry because there's so many of them going on in the real world today. You know, you hear that tale that truth is stranger than fiction. That's something that I really run with, even though I so admire fiction writers and hope to do some of that someday. But I want this to be sort of like a call to action, that when you put down a book, you're so mad, or you're so happy, or you're so inspired that you know, your heart's been ripped open to this experience and you want to do something. Because when our stories catch fire, and when everything starts to sing, that's when things really feel good. That's why I write, you know, to galvanize the world, to sort of change and make this place a better place to live, but doing it